If you need to move a table in LibreOffice Writer, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to reposition a table on the page without overcomplicating anything. This is especially useful when your layout needs a little cleanup, or when a table is sitting in the wrong spot and you want to move it into a better position. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple LibreOffice tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, look at the left side under Create and click Writer Document. This will open a new document where you can work with your content. If your table is already in the document, that's perfect. If not, you can insert one first and then follow along with these steps. Now click anywhere inside your table to make sure it is selected. This is an important step because the table needs to be active before you can move it. Once the table is selected, move your mouse cursor to the top left corner of the table. Keep hovering there until you see the table handle appear. That little handle is what lets you move the table around the page. When the table handle appears, click and hold it, then drag the table to the new location you want. As you move it, you'll see that the table can be repositioned anywhere within the document area. Carefully place it where it looks best, then release the mouse button to drop it into place. And that's really all there is to it. You can now move a table in LibreOffice Writer by selecting it, finding the top left handle, and dragging it to a new position. This is a simple but very useful trick when you want to improve the layout of your document without rebuilding the table from scratch. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy software tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.